All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make Thousand Island dressing. Now, Thousand Island dressing became really popular in the late 80s and 90s, and it showed up everywhere, like in a lot of chain restaurants and diners. Now, I will tell you, some chefs snub their noses at Thousand Island dressing. I don't, especially if you make it at home, because it's really easy to make at home and it's really delicious and it's better than that store-bought stuff. You're gonna add your mayonnaise and you're gonna add your ketchup. Yes, regular ketchup, regular mayonnaise from the pantry. It's amazing. So you wanna get some cornichons and you want to chop them up. They're sort of like baby pickles and they have like a nice sour taste. Grab some capers and chop those up too, and that's gonna add a nice brininess to the Thousand Island dressing. And in some recipes, it calls for like Worcestershire, sometimes lemon juice, sometimes mustard, sometimes onions, bell peppers. You can really kind of put in there whatever you want. Those elements balance out the fat in the mayonnaise. Worcestershire. Smells very, very good. And now for a little bit more acid, I'm gonna put some lemon juice in there. A little salt, horseradish, or some hot sauce. And then the last thing I'm gonna add is some stone ground mustard. And that's it, you're done. This is gonna go great on those pastrami sandwiches. Sandwiches. Don't think that this Thousand Island dressing is just relegated to this one dish that I made with the pastrami. You can put this on burgers. You can put this on almost any salad green that you make as a salad. It's also really great as a dressing or a dipping sauce for like crudités. So there's many, many applications.